वेल मूविंग फॉरवर्ड नाउ, कई लोगों ने कहा है कि आपके हाथों में जादू होता है, पर नहीं, आपके हाथों में जादू तभी होता है तब आप मेहनत करते हैं। वेल आप सोच रहे हो कि मैं जादू की बात क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मेहनत की बात क्यों कर रहा हूँ? बिकॉज़ नेक्स्ट आई एम गोना इनवाइट समवन वेरी स्पेशल इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू। वेल इनके बारे में जितना कहो उतना कम है, क्योंकि इनके हाथों में जादू है, क्योंकि इन्होंने बड़ी-बड़ी हॉलीवुड मूवीज़ में अपनी कला दिखाई है। ही इज़ अ एनिमेटर एंड अ स्कल्पचर। वेल आप खुद ही देख लीजिए कि मैं उनकी तारीफ कितनी क्यों कर रहा हूँ। प्लीज विद a huge applause, please welcome Indranil sir.
Namaste. Thank you for inviting me to concluding ceremony of 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. I am Mindranil Guha. So basically, let me tell a little bit about myself. I have been into visual effects, okay, since last 25 years. I started my career into that basically as a visual effects. I have also been into games development. I ventured into 3D animation, ventured into technologies like augmented reality, virtual reality. So basically, here I am with a basically amalgamation of every sort of technologies that probably can be used in a creative purpose. So I believe that creativity and technology can lead to magic. So that's my principle basically, and on the basis of which I try to use technology and at the same time use creativity and create something new. So now a little bit about the creative part. So when we're talking about the creative bit, I have been very interested in art always. Since the time I was a child. So I believe that I want to breathe art. Instead of normal air. So I do that. I breathe art. So in everything that I see art. Uh, so now art is a state of mind, I would say, because everyone's perception of art is different. For me, art can be X, but for someone else, something else can be art. So there is no specific volume or entity to that. It's a fiction, it's a figment of imagination in our mind. Whatever we use as a medium basically defines the look of the art. If we are using a medium of charcoal, that gives a certain way art is reproduced. If we are using clay, it generates a different form of art. Likewise, so on and so forth. So these things are just the tools basically. They are the mediums of how art is generated. Today I plan to sculpt out of clay the face of Mahatma Gandhi, and uh, and in order to do that, I will use all the tools necessary. As I said earlier, and one of the tool is the clay in that. So we can begin now. it would be my pleasure to donate my artwork to Gandhi Museum Forum. And with that, I conclude this. Wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. Thank you.
You have brought the real imagination into a real life. Can't believe that. कि आपने इतने short time में बापूजी का चेहरा बना दिया. And that to look so real. I can't imagine he's sitting right over here. और थोड़ी देर पहले आपने पूरे designing, पूरा sculpture करके उनका चेहरा बनाया. Hats off to you and hats off to your magic in your hands.